Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where fuses, relays for the driver's seat guys and passenger seat are located on first generation Mercedes GLC. Please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix if you have problems with the seats not working after that. Guys, if you need to buy the replacement parts and tools, we'll share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start, guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6-7 different fuse boxes, guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, guys, when we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, for the driver and passenger seat fuses, relays, where you can expect to find them, let's explain now. We'll be working in multiple fuse boxes. The first fuse box, we need to open the passenger door, guys, and when you do that, come to the passenger side footwell compartment. On the AP over here you have a cover. Open that cover. Behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Guys, here we need to check 3 fuses in that fuse box, and we need to go to a different fuse box, and you may need to check up to 4 more, so make sure to stay until the end. What we're checking here now specifically, okay, let's explain that now. Here we need to check fuse 305, so that will be 301, 2, 3, 4, 305 and 306, these 2 fuses here. Also you need to check fuse MF1. MF1 is this fuse box that consists of 6 7.5 amp fuses built in one. So remove it and inspect each one of those as well. We're not done, guys. We need to come to the trunk, open the trunk, leave the cargo cover up. Underneath you have that flap, open it, and when you do that, guys, you're going to find the trunk fuse box with a layout like this one here. Okay, now what we need to check here, more fuses, okay, specifically where, okay, let's talk about that now. One of them is fuse 400, and you may have fuse number 403. So 403, guys, okay, will be, this one will be if you have a fuse 400, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it will be that fuse right here, and you may have fuse 404 next to it, right? Now, another thing, you may need to check 2 more fuses. Okay, we're talking about fuse 419. You see that fuse here? And 420, these 2 fuses. You don't have relays. The relay function is controlled most likely by the front and rear SAM module, SAM module. So if you still have problems with it, check guys fuses relays for the front and rear SAM control module. We have the video on the channel that will teach you all about that as well. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have two different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now, it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise, we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.